Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through Truncations and wildcats. Especially, it has click on the opera. We type in Truncations. We click on Truncations and wildcats. So here, I'm just going to talk about the Truncations and wildcats, then examples and definitions, and that's all. Truncations and wildcats, these are search techniques that broaden search results, but they're representing variable characters in keywords. Yeah, truncations represent certain variable characters in keywords. Usually, the truncations are usually in star form. These are asterisk. Finds multiple word endings. For example, education, then we put that truncation. And this one represents educate, represents education and education. While because often are question mark or the hash, which replace single characters within a word to capture spelling variables. For example, finds womb, that is woman, women. The key search techniques, truncations typically are placed at the end of the root. Yeah, they are placed at the end of the root to find all fed variations, saving time and improving comprehensions. And let us continue with the examples of truncations. With truncations, let you search for a word that could have multiple endings. The symbol for truncation is usually, and this one, this is like a star at the point where the spelling of the word will change. For example, this would define articles with the terms of PTS, and that is it. That is all about truncations. Then let us look at for wildcats. Wildcats. An example of a wildcat is the asterisk character, which represents any sequence of characters, including none. If a search in a search for pattern matching operation. This is all about translation. Let us see how we use this translation. Translation can be used to avoid having too explicit, including all possible variants in the strategy. This is all about translation of wildcats. It does continue. Truncations, wildcats. What does truncation mean in that? The definition of truncation is to shorten or cut off at the end. Truncation is used in database searches to ensure retrieval of all possible variations of a search type. All databases allow truncation, but the symbols used may vary, so it is best to check the database first when using truncation plans. About wildcats. Wildcats, a wildcat, wildcat, also known as an at-large bird or at-large bite, is an imitation of a tournament or a play of awarded to a team or individual that does not qualify for automatic bird. It also, in some events, wildcats are chosen freely by the organizers. Other events have fixed rules. So friends, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.